Welcome to another edition of the Flipped Classroom for Miss Colombo's reading class. To get started, make sure that you have a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil and start taking your Cornell notes. Remember, you may pause or rewind if you need to. The next reading selection is called Start the Day Right, Public Service Announcement. Start the Day Right is a public service announcement, a non-commercial media or print advertisement that seeks to generate public awareness of a social issue, such as safety, health, or education. Public service announcements are informative and educational, but they are also always persuasive, intended to bring about some change in people's attitudes or behaviors. The skill focus is persuasive techniques, and we've been talking about this last week. Have you ever stopped to think about how many persuasive messages you receive from the media? Whether it's an ad in a magazine for jeans, a TV commercial for dishwashing liquid, or a billboard promoting bicycle helmet safety, you are exposed to dozens of persuasive messages each day. All of these persuasive messages attempts to win you over to a particular idea or influence to take you to a specific action. Writers will use persuasive techniques such as logical and emotional appeals to convince their audience. Logical appeals rely on facts and evidence to support a claim or message. Emotional appeals, on the other hand, do not rely on facts and evidence. They stir the feelings of an audience, often through the use of loaded language, words with either positive or negative connotations or suggested meanings. Start the Day Right is a script and storyboard for a public service announcement television commercial. As you read, notice the persuasive techniques it uses. Identify examples in a chart like this one shown. And when we start reading it, we will be making a chart like this. Also, as a part of your Cornell notes, I would like for you to draw this. You'll draw two stick figures, logical appeal and evidence, and you'll have the arrow pointing to the stick figure's head. This explains the fact that facts and other evidence that will appeal to the mind are the one way that writers support their claim. Then you'll write another stick figure with the heart, emotional appeals, and loaded language. These appeals try to get people to feel a certain way about the claim. Writers may want readers and viewers to feel positively or negatively about the claim. Okay, and that's the end of our notes, and we'll be going over these in class tomorrow.